Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishoria, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is a trading flow. So people in Bangalore have requested us to show how is our trading flow. So we do have a trading floor in HSR layout second sector. So what is the use of a trading floor is, so in an investment bank, what the professional trader does is, they used to sit together as a team. See, if an individual person cannot analyze about like 30 to 50 scripts a day, for example, let's say we'll take Nifty 50. If Nifty 50, you can't analyze all the scripts by a single person. So that is why what they do is, let's say if you have 25 people working together analyzing the market, if you give them 2 scripts each, so automatically we'll be able to analyze all the 50 scripts in Nifty 50. So that is why the trading floor concept was made. So what we do in Trade Achievers is we train people and then we give them an infrastructure where people can come together as a professional and sit together and they can analyze and trade in the markets. So that is why it's important to use a trading floor. So once you have been trained in the analysis of trend and all the other technical analysis, then you can sit as a team and start trading in the trading floor concept. So in this video, I'll just give you a short video about how the trading flow looks like in Bangalore. All right, so we'll just watch the video. So alright guys, so that was our trading floor in Bangalore. It's located at HSR layout second sector. So if you want, you can just give a call to the below number and they'll give you all the details on how to use the trading floor and all the other details about the trading and trading classes. Alright, so thank you very much for joining in this video. Take care.